The name conjures up images of romance, history, and captivating beauty. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every moment feels like a scene from a classic film. This European gem is a feast for the senses. From the vibrant colors of the Amalfi Coast to the aromatic scents wafting through bustling street markets, Italy is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Imagine ancient ruins bathed in golden sunlight, the scent of fresh pasta in the air, and the sound of laughter echoing through charming piazzas. Picture yourself wandering through Rome, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Italy is a country that captivates the soul, beckoning travelers to uncover its secrets and experience its magic firsthand. Whether you're gliding through the canals of Venice or marveling at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, every experience is a treasure. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, Italy offers a journey of discovery that will stay with you long after you've said arrivederci. The Vatican's grandeur, the quiet charm of hidden alleyways, and the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast are just the beginning. Italy's rich history whispers from every corner, from the grandeur of Rome to the Renaissance splendor of Florence. Walk through the Roman Forum and feel the echoes of ancient civilizations, or stand in awe beneath the magnificent dome of Florence's Duomo. Its diverse landscapes, from the rugged peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched beaches of the Mediterranean, offer something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer seeking mountain thrills, or a sun-seeker longing for a beach escape, Italy has it all. And then there's the food. Indulge in mouth-watering pizza, savor delicate pasta dishes, and experience the joy of dining at a traditional Italian trattoria, where every meal is a celebration of flavor and tradition. Sip on world-renowned wines in the picturesque vineyards of the Chianti region. Each glass tells a story of the land and the passion of the winemakers who craft these exquisite beverages. Italy is an experience that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From savory starters to decadent desserts, every bite is a journey through Italy's rich culinary heritage. So, pack your bags and prepare to be enchanted by the wonders of Italy. Whether it's your first visit or a return trip, Italy promises an unforgettable adventure filled with beauty, history, and unforgettable moments. Step back in time and wander through the ruins of ancient Rome, where emperors once walked and gladiators clashed. These ancient stones whisper tales of power, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of glory. Imagine the grandeur of the Roman Empire at its peak, with its vast territories and influential culture. The Colosseum, a magnificent amphitheater that once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, stands as a testament to the power and ingenuity of the Roman Empire. This architectural marvel could hold up to 80,000 spectators, all eager to witness the fierce battles and dramatic performances. Its sheer size and engineering brilliance continue to awe visitors from around the world. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the clash of swords, and the thrill of the games. The atmosphere would have been electric, filled with anticipation and excitement. Gladiators, trained to fight to the death, became the heroes of their time, celebrated and revered by the masses. Nearby, explore the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Roman life. This bustling center was the epicenter of political, commercial, and social activities. It was here that citizens gathered to discuss politics, trade goods, and celebrate religious festivals. Here you can walk among the ruins of temples, basilicas, and government buildings, imagining the bustling activity that once filled these streets. The Forum was a place where history was made, where decisions that shaped the future of the empire were taken. Don't miss the Pantheon, a remarkably well-preserved temple with a breathtaking dome that has inspired architects for centuries. Its oculus, an opening at the dome's apex, allows natural light to illuminate the interior, creating a mystical and awe-inspiring atmosphere. As you explore these ancient wonders, you'll feel the weight of history and the enduring legacy of this remarkable civilization. The remnants of ancient Rome offer a glimpse into a world that has profoundly influenced modern society, from architecture and engineering to law and governance. Each step you take is a journey through time, connecting you to the grandeur and majesty of one of history's greatest empires. No trip to Italy is complete without a visit to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a destination that captures the imagination of millions of visitors each year. This is one of the world's most recognizable architectural oddities, drawing people from all corners of the globe to witness its unique tilt. This iconic bell tower, famous for its unintentional tilt, is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of perseverance. Its construction began in 1173, and despite numerous challenges, it stands tall, or rather, leans, today. Legend has it that the tower began to lean during its construction in the 12th century due to unstable subsoil. The soft ground could not properly support the structure's weight, causing it to tilt. Despite this significant setback, construction continued over the next 2 centuries, and the tower was eventually completed in the 14th century. Engineers and architects of the time employed various techniques to stabilize the structure. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa stands as a symbol of resilience and a reminder that even mistakes can have beautiful outcomes. It has survived wars, earthquakes, and the passage of time, becoming an enduring icon of architectural history. Take the opportunity to climb to the top of the tower for stunning views of the city and a unique perspective on this architectural wonder. The climb, though steep, rewards you with breathtaking vistas and a sense of accomplishment. Journey back to 79 AD and witness the haunting beauty of Pompeii, a Roman city frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Buried under layers of ash and pumice, Pompeii lay hidden for centuries until its rediscovery in the 18th century. Today, visitors can walk the ancient streets, explore preserved houses and shops, and marvel at the intricate mosaics and frescoes that adorn the homes of Pompeii's wealthy citizens. The ruins of Pompeii offer a poignant glimpse into the lives of the people who lived and died here, their stories preserved for eternity in the shadow of the volcano. Prepare to be captivated by the Amalfi Coast, a stunning stretch of coastline renowned for its dramatic cliffs, pastel-colored villages, and sparkling turquoise waters. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a feast for the eyes, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Rent a car and drive along the winding coastal road, stopping to explore charming towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Hike through lemon groves, relax on sun-drenched beaches, and savor fresh seafood at local trattorias. The Amalfi Coast is a place to escape the everyday and embrace the beauty of La Dolce Vita. For outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers, the Dolomites offer a breathtaking escape. This mountain range in northeastern Italy is renowned for its jagged peaks, lush valleys, and crystal-clear lakes. Lace up your hiking boots and explore miles of trails, marvel at cascading waterfalls, and challenge yourself with exhilarating via ferrata routes. In the winter, the Dolomites transform into a winter wonderland, offering world-class skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, the Dolomites will leave you breathless. Escape to the shores of Lake Como, a place of tranquility and timeless elegance. Surrounded by lush hills and charming villages, Lake Como has been a retreat for the rich and famous for centuries. Rent a boat and explore the lake's hidden coves, visit the opulent villas that dot the shoreline, and soak up the serene atmosphere. Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como, is a must-visit destination with its cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and stunning lake views. Venice, a city on water. Experience the magic of Venice, a city unlike any other. Built on a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea, Venice is a labyrinth of canals, bridges, and historic buildings. Explore the city's waterways on a gondola ride, gliding past grand palazzos and under picturesque bridges. Visit St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, and marvel at the Byzantine architecture of St. Mark's Basilica. Get lost in the narrow streets and canals of the Dorso Duro district, discovering hidden courtyards, art galleries, and traditional Baccari, or wine bars. Venice is a city that will capture your imagination and stay with you long after you've left its enchanting embrace. Tuscan vineyards, romance and wine. Indulge in the romance of Tuscany, a region of rolling hills, vineyards, and charming hilltop towns. Rent a car and embark on a scenic road trip through the Tuscan countryside, stopping to sample the region's renowned wines at local wineries. Explore the medieval city of Siena with its impressive Piazza del Campo, visit the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and discover the Renaissance treasures of Florence. Tuscany is a region that will captivate your senses and leave you with unforgettable memories. Sicilian cuisine, a culinary adventure. Embark on a culinary adventure through Sicily, an island where food is a celebration of life. Influenced by Greek, Arab and Norman conquerors, Sicilian cuisine is a melting pot of flavors and aromas. Indulge in arancini, crispy rice balls filled with savory ragu, savor pasta alla norma, a delicious combination of pasta, eggplant, and ricotta salata cheese, and treat yourself to cannoli, crispy pastry shells filled with sweet ricotta cream. From street food to fine dining, Sicily offers a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Conclusion. Italy awaits. Italy is a country that has it all. History, culture, natural beauty, and of course, incredible food. Whether you're drawn to its ancient ruins, its charming villages, or its breathtaking landscapes, Italy offers a journey of discovery that will stay with you long after you've returned home. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and prepare to be enchanted by the wonders of Italy.